Good morning. This is the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing for Tuesday, June 14th. On the impact map, nothing significant in the short term, unseasonably cool today, but by Thursday, we'll be not only warming up, but we should see gusty winds starting to approach the western Great Basin. We can see the critical fuels line still mostly across the southern third of the area. We had some lightning through here yesterday on the right, but you can see it was fairly wet along with the cool temperatures, higher humidity. New fire starts, let's go back here. New fire starts in the red, recent fires in the yellow. A lot of activity, most of it on the smaller side for now. And precipitation quite wet up in the north, half inch to an inch and a half of precipitation. You can see up here in parts of northern Wyoming where they had flooding in Yellowstone National Park. They had up to 300% of normal precipitation, but you can see how bone dry it has been for the southern third to southern half of the area. Both the cooler, more moist conditions, you can see how much the 100-hour fuels have changed from yesterday to today, a bit of a push southwards, those low single-digit 100-hour fuels, but still they're prevalent down towards the Arizona border and in southern Nevada. Satellite imagery shows that unseasonably deep and cold low-pressure area, still spinning up in the northern Rockies. Some gusty gradient winds out of the west and northwest, but the humidity not too bad yet. You can see that on the map here on the left-hand side, drier air coming in, the moisture to the north. You can see a lot of the PSAs have dropped back down into the green and yellow. Humidity, though, still dry in a lot of southern areas, a lot of single digits to low teens, goes up quite a bit further north. Winds, where they're gusty in areas that have high humidity, so no issues. We do see high pressure starting to build in on Wednesday. We start drying things out a little bit. The humidities on the right-hand side still dry, but not much in the way of wind. And on Thursday, unseasonably deep low pressure again off the west coast, starting to pump in some winds in the western areas. High pressure, though, building in from the four corners. And we see some drips and drabs of pre-monsoonal moisture that we'll have to watch. They have high risk down in the Arizona, New Mexico area. We can see that our humidity is still dry across a lot of areas. Go back here. You can see the winds picking up across Nevada, 25 to 35 miles per hour. It's only in the southern third of the region, though, where we have concerns with critically dry fuels. The temperature change on the left from today to Thursday on the right. You pick out your area, and you're seeing temperatures anywhere from 12 to 20 degrees warmer on Thursday. So that'll be part of the warm up. No precip in the short term, but we start seeing some of that pre-monsoonal moisture pushing up. And on Friday, there it is, right along the Utah-Colorado border and a bit possibly further westwards. Also with the front, some showers and cloudy skies across northwest Nevada. We do have high risk for some lightning over some of these drier areas that did not get rain this past weekend. And that will continue again on Saturday because you can see on the left-hand side that monsoonal moisture continues to deepen across the eastern Utah. I'm not sure how far west that moisture will get, have to watch it. By Sunday, that monsoonal moisture gets pushed off to the east into Colorado, but drier southwest winds, albeit cool, starting to move in. And then we'll see that same pattern on Monday. So we'll see how many ignitions we get and whether there are new starts or not. But in some areas, there will be quite a bit of rain, especially the further east you go, a half inch to 3/4 of an inch in some areas. So a nice pre-monsoonal push. The 8 to 14 day shows kind of a mix, slightly cooler than normal in the north, but a warmer than normal in southern areas. And the precip shows, again, that pre-monsoonal push expected to continue for our far southeastern areas, drier than normal elsewhere. And this concludes our briefing. Have a great day.